Brief introduction of who I am. Casey Denby, I lead the sales team here at Generate. Take a look at this chart. It's not a long study, but it's very important data. So what the top headline is that 2/3 or 67% of customers, when they contact your contact center, whether you're a hotel, whether you're an airline, whether you're a cable company, when they're calling you or reaching out, they prefer to speak to a live human being 2 out of 3 times, 67%. Now, you might not find this to be incredibly insightful, but what is insightful is the trend. 60% was the number back in 2019. There were a lot of things rolling out around this time frame. Lots of AI technologies, chatbots, conversational AI, or so they call it. But basically, it's just an enhanced automation system. Everybody knows what an IVR is. Everybody knows the pain of an IVR. Well, chatbots and AI automation are kind of making that a little bit better, but it's still a robot and it's still answering the phone and not getting you to a live customer service agent. Now, that number actually dropped into the 50s in 2021. The world kind of changed around that time. And look at that spike, 64% in 2021. And 2022, 67%. So the trend is actually coming back, and it's higher than it used to be multiple years ago. But I thought there was so much automation. I thought this technology was amazing. I thought, technology could just replace human beings in our jobs. Well, to a certain extent. The reality is that AI and technology is intended to augment the human performance.